Hey photography friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing 10 creative photography ideas you can try right now. Whether you're snapping pics with your phone or a fancy camera, these tricks will add a splash of fun and creativity to your shots. Let's dive in. First up, reflections photography. Look for reflections in water, mirrors, or windows. Try snapping a picture of a building in a puddle, or capture your own reflection in a mirror. This creates a cool and artistic effect. Next, silhouette shots. Position your subject against a bright light like a sunset. The person or object should appear dark while the background remains bright. It looks dramatic and beautiful. Light painting is another fun one. Grab a flashlight or use your phone's light in a dark room. Move the light around while taking a long exposure shot. This technique creates amazing light trails in your photos. For macro photography, get up close and personal with flowers, insects, or textures like tree bark. If you don't have a macro lens, use the macro mode on your phone. You'll discover tiny details that usually go unnoticed. Creative shadows can be really interesting too. Use sunlight or a lamp to cast cool shadow patterns. Try using leaves, blinds, or even your hands to form unique shapes in the shadow. Playing with perspective is always a hit. Make objects look bigger or smaller by changing the angle. For instance, make someone look like they're holding the moon or standing on top of a bottle. It's a fun way to create unique photos. Motion blur photography is all about capturing movement. Snap pictures of a moving car, a running person, or flowing water with a slow shutter speed. This technique makes the background look blurry while keeping your subject in focus, adding a sense of speed and movement. Double exposure effect is super creative. Blend two pictures into one. Some cameras and apps allow you to mix images together. Combine a face with nature or a cityscape with clouds to create dreamy effects. Forced perspective is another cool trick. Make a person look as small as a toy or as big as a mountain. Ask your friend to stand far away while you place an object close to the camera. This creates an optical illusion. Lastly, bokeh photography. At night, take photos of city lights or fairy lights with a camera using a wide aperture like f1.8. This makes the background appear blurry with soft, magical circles of light. And that's a wrap. These were 10 fun photography ideas you can try today. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more photography tips. Thanks for watching.